Welcome back to my channel. I'm going to show you the all-new 2024 Neo ET5. So I made a video about the Neo ET5T. You can check it out. This one is the ET5. It looks it looks gorgeous. I love this red color. I haven't seen the red color ET5 before. Looks gorgeous, and it's a big rival of Tesla Model 3. There are two different versions, two different battery packs, 75 kilowatt or 100 kilowatt, and your CLTC range will be 560 to 710 kilometer. The one I'm showing you, it got 100 kilowatt battery packs, and it's an all-wheel drive version, and your CLTC range is 710 kilometer, and the price is 49,000 US dollar. Yes, Neo's vehicles are a little bit expensive because they use all aluminum for body and chassis, and their crash test performance is great, better than the Tesla. Also, they have a big Neo house. You can come and enjoy your free time. Also, they're providing best service to their customers. This is the most cheapest electric coupe under the Neo lineup, and other vehicles like Neo ET7, ES8, ES6, EC6, those are more than 65 to 70 or even 80,000 US dollar. So this is the most cheapest one. So let me walk around and share all the information. First, let me show you this vehicle. I love this color. I love it. Looks gorgeous. See, look at the color. Especially it looks great from the front. And here we get a radio antenna at the top, which is functional. Also we'll get the Neo logo and full LED tail light. Here is the 360 camera, and there are so many parking sensors. So let me open the car door. This is also the hydraulic one. We'll get 450 liters storage capacity. 450 liters storage capacity at the back. But if you down your second row, then it will be 1,300 liter.
它也有黑色呀。哦，这里也是哦。
对比没那么明显。
因为它这个白。
So there are so many customers. They came here to check out the vehicles. It's the same as the Neo ET5T. 430 liter storage capacity, but if you down your second row, then 1,300 liter. And the price is also same as the Neo ET5T, 41,000 to 49,000 US dollar. So let me close it. As I mentioned, this is the hydraulic one. Just press here, it will be closed. So the height of this vehicle, 1.5 meter, 1.499 meter, almost 1.5 meter, and the length is 4.79 meter, and the wheelbase is 2.88 meter. Front wheel distance 1.96 meter, rear wheel distance also 1.96 meter. This one doesn't have the air suspension. And here we'll get the Michelin's tire with 19-inch wheels, and your tire size will be 245 by 45 R19. So wheels up. They're using the Neo brake, but if you want, you can choose the variable one. You have to add some extra money, and it will get around 20 centimeter ground clearance. Doesn't have the air suspension. So there are so many chromes. I don't know why this vehicle gives me a little bit feelings of Jaguar XEL. Because my friend got a Jaguar XL in the same color, but the front looks completely different and the rear looks completely different. And this is a full electric vehicle. And here we'll get a full LED daytime running light. This will be visible in day and night. Also we'll get the LED headlight, LED daytime headlight, LED daytime running light, LED high beam and low beam. Truck coefficient of this vehicle 0.24 CD. So they have done a great job with the aerodynamic performance. Here we got the logo 360 camera, and there is a splitter at the front. Also we'll get a functional grille. So it's a big rival of Tesla Model 3. The price range is pretty similar. But Neo, the most luxurious Chinese EV brand, so their vehicles are a little bit expensive. You got the pop-out door handles. This is also the electric. So it's the all-wheel drive version. There are two electric motors, one in the front, one in the rear. Let me open the front. So look at this front, and the power output will be 490 horsepower along with 700 Nm of torque. top speed 200 km per hour, 0 to 200 it will take 3.8 seconds. Also we'll get the frameless door. These are not the electric door. But look at the quality of the vehicle. They used all aluminum for body and chassis, and Nappa and Alcantara materials all over in the interior. But this one doesn't have the Alcantara in the interior. That's why the price is a little bit cheaper. So there are so many chromes all over in the vehicles. Here we'll get the charging port. There are only one charging port. You can use the slow and fast charger. If you use the slow charger, it will take 8 to 10 hours, but if you use the fast one, then it will take 15 to 25 minutes. And you can go to the NIO battery service station to save your battery within 3 to 5 minutes. So this is also the electric one. You can use your NFC card at this part. Here you can use the NFC card. So look at the interior. The interior looks great, you know. They use the Nappa leather, but this one doesn't have the Alcantara. It looks pretty similar like the NIO ET5T. So let me sit inside. So why it's a little bit cheaper, you know. This one doesn't have the Alcantara, so that's why it looks the price is a little bit cheap. 你好，Nomi。Hi Nomi。
Hey.
帮我开空调。
Okay.
So Nomi is the AI system of this vehicle. We are familiar with Nomi, right? It can help you to assist in many ways. It can help you to open the AC, open the sunroof, open the music. Even it can help you to take photos. Hi Nomi. 帮我拍照。Hi Nomi. 帮我拍照。Hi Nomi. 帮我拍照。Hi Nomi. 帮我拍照。Here the Nomi is not listening my command. Hi Nomi. 帮我拍照。Oh, finally. So it can even help you to take photos, you see. This is a very smart vehicle. And all the functions are same as the NIO Auto lineup. Here you can check out the 360 view of this vehicle. Also, this one doesn't have the auto hood. And here you can adjust the seat like this way. You can use the same switch for different purpose, but you have to select it from here. But this doesn't have the auto hood, and you can close, open, and you can choose different color to make your interior more colorful. So this is the same concept we used to see their other lineup. There are no changes. Here we don't have any compartment balls. These are all the soft Nappa leather. We got there are no auto hood, so you have to see the speed and the CLTC range through this screen. And there is a leather steering wheels, which is power adjustable. It can be automatically adjusted. And also you got the logo, airbag, and here are some switches. There are no paddle shifter in this vehicle, and we're familiar with Nomi. And if you see at this part, here is your gear knob. So this is the same design if you compare the NIO EC7, ES8, ES6. So this is the same design. Two cup holders, well a charger. Here is your hazard button. We get a box with the armrest. Now they are using the, giving a sunglass. This is a special sunglass. So if I drive the vehicle, I can show you the function of this sunglasses. And if you see at the top, so look at the top here. We got the lights, so if you touch it, it will be open and close, SOS button, and big panel with glass roof. It's not the sunroof, we cannot open it, it's a glass roof. And here they don't use the Alcantara materials, that's why the price is a little bit cheaper than the other NIO vehicles. And we got a mirror with the light. Now let me go and check out the second row. This one is the NIO ES6. You can also check it out. So here, look at the second row. This is also the frameless door. Let me sit inside. I will get enough leg space, enough head space, no problem at all. Here at the middle we get 2 ear pans. Also we'll get 2 USB port, and these are all the soft Napa leather. And here we'll get 2 cup holders with the armrest. You can hidden it like this way. As I mentioned, it has got a big panoramic glass roof, but it cannot get the sunroof. And here all are the soft leather. They are not using the Alcantara in this vehicle. That's why we're giving the price a little bit cheaper, and is 41 to 49,000 US dollar. It's the most cheapest electric vehicle under the Neo lineup. And the top speed 200 km/h. So that's pretty well. I will share more new vehicles later. Keep supporting me. Do subscribe my channel. Until then, bye bye.